Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a TV socket. First, gather your tools, including wire strippers, a screwdriver, and the correct coaxial cable with F connectors. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect power to the area before you begin any work. Having the right equipment makes the process much smoother and safer. Next, prepare your coaxial cable. Using wire strippers, carefully remove about 1/2 inch of the outer jacket, being careful not to cut the braided shield underneath. Fold this braided shield back over the cable. Then, remove any foil shielding and trim the inner dielectric to expose approximately 1/8 inch of the copper center conductor. This precise preparation ensures a good connection. Now, it's time to attach the F connector. Carefully twist the F connector onto the prepared end of the coaxial cable. Continue twisting until the white plastic dielectric is flush with the inside of the connector. The copper center conductor should protrude slightly, about 1/16 of an inch, from the end of the connector. Double-check that no stray strands of the braided shield are touching the center pin, as this can cause signal issues. For the final step, screw the F connector firmly onto the TV wall plate. Ensure it is hand-tightened for a secure connection. Then, connect the other end of your coaxial cable to the appropriate input on your television. Once all connections are made, restore power to the area and turn on your TV. Test the signal to confirm that your TV socket is now successfully connected and working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.